What's up guys, Cheap Beast aka Noah back today bringing another video. This time we're doing another sneaker unboxing. For some reason I'm getting a ton of sneakers recently and I don't really know why. This one's actually from Yeezy Day, so the beginning of August 2nd I think it was in the US and August 3rd in Europe. Only thing I actually got to pick up, I tried for almost everything and I didn't get much. I think last Yeezy Day I maybe got, no I don't think I got anything either. So I haven't got anything crazy on Yeezy Day, but this one I think is actually a fairly new release. From what I could tell, I was happy to get it. I actually got this one on Yeezy Supply, which for some reason I never really went on. It's always on the Confirmed app. But I am happy that I got something for once. It's not my size, so I won't be wearing it, but hopefully it's something decent. So let's just get into the unboxing. So like I said, this was from Yeezy Day. There were sneakers all day on Yeezy Day, and I hit on just this one. I feel like I maybe hit on another one and then just didn't feel like buying it. There was some stuff that was obviously a lot better than others. I wanted to obviously pick up a pair of Wave Runners again. I feel like I did that forever ago, but I didn't get anything too crazy, and this is the only thing I actually did get, which I know is better than some people. Some people got nothing, some people got a ton, but that's just kind of how Sneaker Drops works. But here it is. It's actually the first pair I've ever had of this silhouette even. I mean, there's the same one. Let me get this out first. First pair actually of this silhouette. I have had, like I said, the Wave Runners before, but this is the Yeezy 700. These are the V3. I had to make sure in the dark glow colorway. That's all it says. Basically, hopefully, I think I know sort of what they are. They should be mostly black, and then they will glow in the dark. Obviously, they're not going to glow in the dark with all the light on. I will show you guys some B-roll of them actually glowing in the dark, because I think that's probably the coolest selling point of them. But I haven't had any 700 V3s in the past. I think I've tried for a couple of them, but none of them have ever really, I've never really gotten them. So I'm kind of surprised that I actually was able to pick up one of these. They're a lot heavier than I would have thought. For some reason I thought like the sole's a lot not as like firm as it is, but if you guys know, Yeezy 700 V3, they added like this caging to the side, and then I'm pretty sure the cage on this one is what glows in the dark. Hopefully I can capture that. If not, I will show you guys a picture of it, because I think it's pretty cool. Obviously it's mostly all black with these like gray lines through it, but basically just all black. There's another all black colorway, but that one does not have the glow in it, which I think is pretty cool. Definitely my favorite part. Actually, I guess this is size 11. Okay, there's some, it said 11 or 10 and a half for some reason, but this one actually does feature the lace lock. This is the first Yeezy that I have that has the lace lock, so it doesn't have actual, like, you don't tie them, so it should be pretty easy to fit. Like most Yeezys, I feel like you go up half a size, so these are 11, so if you wear a 10 and a half, this would be good for you. Sole on the bottom, pretty thick. I think there's boost in there. Pretty confident that there might not be, but there's some yellow on the bottom, which I think as a nice little touch. I mean, you're not really going to be seeing the bottom too much, but they are good looking sneakers. I wish they were my size, but also I feel like I wouldn't have gotten them with my size because I wear 13. It's pretty hard to get most stuff in 13 just because they don't make as much, and that's why I try for some of the smaller sizes just to get something that I wanted. But I think it looks all right. Not terrible. I think the glow definitely is the part that stands out, but really when you're going to see the glow only in the dark. So hopefully someone really likes the glow part. I know they have glows in 350s, but this one is the first one for the Yeezy 700. So let me show you guys some B-roll of these, and hopefully they glow in the dark. So here they are, the Yeezy 700 V3 in the dark glow colorway. Pretty cool shoes. Obviously the big selling point of these is they glow in the dark. They're all black besides that. The glow in the dark, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be sort of blue. At least that's what the picture showed. It might be more of like a green. I haven't done the glow in the dark yet. I will record the B-roll afterwards. But I think it's a pretty good looking shoe. I haven't had any 700 V3s. So this is really my first impressions on the sneaker. I think it looks pretty good. It looks like it would be fairly comfortable to wear. I don't like I said, haven't had any. I've only had one pair of 700s, and I sold those. I didn't even wear those ones either. So I've never really actually had any 700s myself. I have only 350s, and I have a pair of 500 highs that I've put on my feet once. I don't like the look of them, but I think this is a good colorway if you're into like the all black sneakers, and especially one with a little bit of like an extra touch to it. I imagine these are cheaper right now than getting the all black ones without the glow on it. But if you're looking into it, something you could pick up, definitely probably something comfortable. But I wish I could put these on feet. Unfortunately, they're a lot smaller than my feet, so I can't really put them on feet to tell you exactly how they feel. But obviously Yeezys are always really comfortable, so as long as you can fit into these, I feel like they're a good shoe for you. So Yeezy 700 V3, pretty solid sneaker. I like the look of them. I think the glow is a good touch, but other than that, thank you guys for like But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me in the comments what you think of these sneakers, what you think of the Yeezy 700 V3, if you like them, if you don't really care for the glow, but that's my favorite part of them. So other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.